Hey everybody, this is Zach over at the Edge Pro, just coming to you with a little bit of an update on an Andis part that's going to be changing. So as you guys know, right now, the Andis AGC Armature Assembly, or change out individual ones, they're going to do what they did with the Andis SMC clipper, and they're going to have a canned assembly that's going to be available. I know that this is going to take a little bit of time as they still have some parts, but other parts that they're out of. So moving forward, I would just plan and expect that this is what's going to be what you're going to need, just a different version for that larger clipper. Now, that does mean the cost is going to go up. So instead of being able to buy, a couple dollars worth of parts, you're going to end up buying this, and it's going to probably be closer to that $60 range. It's going to be a little more expensive repair. But it will simplify it, because if something's wrong with this assembly, you'll just replace the whole thing. I don't have that assembly available yet. We're hoping to get it soon, and when we do, we'll definitely let people know. But always, you can call or email us, and we can give you updates as we go along as best we can. If this information was helpful and you liked it, make sure you like the video, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information like it. Thank you.